Stop declaring 20 variables for one thing. There's a better way, and it's called an object. Let's unlock it. In the real world, a car has properties, color, model, weight, and actions: start, drive, stop. JavaScript objects work the same way. Properties are data. Methods are behavior, one thing, described completely. Declaring one is easy. Curly braces, key colon value, comma separated, strings, numbers, booleans, even functions. Everything about that one thing lives in one place. Conventions. Keys don't need quotes in JS, but quote them anyway. Every other language requires it. And whitespace? Totally ignored. Format for humans, not the parser. Reading values. Two ways. Dot notation for known keys. Char.make. Square brackets for dynamic keys. Char bracket, string, bracket. Both give you the same result. Pick your weapon. Storing functions in objects. That's a method. Reference the key, add parentheses, and it fires. Inside, use the this keyword to grab the object's own properties. Data and behavior, bundled together. Objects can hold other objects, and arrays, and functions that use them. Dot into the nested object, bracket into the array, complex data, clean access. This is how real apps model the world. Object.keys gives you every key as an array. Loop it with for of. Now you can inspect any object dynamically, even ones you didn't write. Object.values. Same idea, but you get the values. Perfect when you don't care about the label, just what's inside. Object.entries. The power move. You get both the key and the value in every loop. Destructure them into two variables and iterate the entire object in one clean line. Objects. The foundation of everything. JSON, APIs, React State, databases, all built on this one idea. Master objects, and you unlock the whole language. Drop object in the comments, like, subscribe. See you in EP 11.